Hey guys, this is Josh down at Big Bear RV. Wanted to do a quick review of one of our Sierra models. It is probably my favorite floor plan out of every fifth wheel I've ever seen. It has the outdoor speaker set up here as well as storage all the way throughout. Has the really solid stairs out here. They're called Step Above. Has the D-arm for the support. When you walk in, this is my favorite part, guys. This is your living room, which is probably one of the best living rooms I've seen, period. I mean, you get your large TV, your sound bar, your fireplace, all tied in right there in a super wide living room with two tip outs. The other thing, when you walk in, that really captures everybody, that everybody loves, is the kitchen. You turn to the right when you walk in, you get that giant LG fridge with it. It has a Tubbs freezer on the bottom, which is absolutely gorgeous. You've got your bar up here, which allows you to sit down, have your breakfast or have your coffee, read the paper or watch some TV as well. All the finishes in here are ultra high quality. There is LED lighting all the way throughout. I mean, this thing is just absolutely gorgeous. There's nothing else to be wanted in here. It's got the Furrion stovetop, it's got the Furrion oven, that LG fridge that I was speaking about with that giant bottom freezer, which is really nice if you're going deep woods or dry camping. The LG microwave as well, which is super nice. Lots of storage in here. I mean, these cupboards are massive, absolutely massive. Tons of counter space, tons of ambient lighting. And the MSRP on this bad boy is right around $86,000. We have, I think, $11,000 marked off of this unit at the moment, which is absolutely insane. Huge bathroom. I mean, you'd be hard pressed to find a bathroom this big in a lot of units this size. I mean, the ceiling's just absolutely huge. It's like a 12-foot ceiling cap in there. Hardwood floors all the way throughout. This is your king size bed, as well as your Hisense TV. It is a super soft bed in here. I mean, just a gorgeous unit. Outdoor kitchen as well. Go ahead and come down and see me at the Boat and RV show at Columbia Point. Thanks again. Have a great day. This is Josh signing off.